Let's face it, you use Google every single day, right? Now, how would you like to use that specific software to earn tons of money online today? Right now, you would have the chance to earn $1,000 just by using Google. Isn't that intriguing? Today, I'll show you the exact steps to make that sum of money online just by utilizing Google, along with some websites I'll introduce to you. So stick around until the end to know the websites to use and the exact approach to this method. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into another tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. Alright, so the first step for you is to open up google.com. And you can just leave it as it is. Later on, I'm going to show you a Google trick that will be essential for this whole video. So keep watching. Now, after you've opened Google, go to mindsumo.com. This is the site that we will use in conjunction with Google to make money online. As you can see, the website has collaborated with some of the world's most prestigious businesses: Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, and many others have worked with them. Take a look right now at how much money may be made with just one easy search. You may get paid $800, $1,000, and $1,600, or even more. To get started with this website, simply create an account. To do so, go to this login/sign up button on the upper right corner of your screen. You'll be able to receive the notification after you've done so. And since you don't have an account yet, I'll need you to click on Don't Have an Account Yet. After that, you will be able to sign up for free. To begin, simply type your first and last names. Then, enter your country, email address, a unique password, and then choose your birth date and gender. After you've completed those, you'll need to rate yourself in the following areas. You'll find creativity, marketing, and technical skills in the skill areas. Now, I recommend that you select high proficiency in all of these categories, since this will increase your chances of making more money on this website. After that, you'll be asked some basic personal questions about yourself and the website. I'm confident you'll be able to answer these questions on your own, so go ahead and do so. You don't have to check the first 3 boxes, but you must check the last 3 to accept their terms and privacy policy. After that, simply click the I am not a robot option, and then sign up. You now have an official mindsumo.com account after completing the above steps. Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Now, I want you to comment down below and type in the initial code Google Trick as a pre-registration for our $50 gift card giveaways. Remember to watch until the end for you to know the simple instructions on how to fully register and win that exciting gift card giveaways. So, where were we before? Right, I need you to scroll down after you've successfully created an account on this site and logged in. You'll be able to see all of the different questions and projects that need to be answered, and you'll be compensated to do so. You can see that they're paying anywhere from a few $100s to thousands of dollars. Now, let's go on. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a list of several categories from which to choose. Because fresh projects and questions arrive every day, there will never be a shortage of money to be made on this website. Allow me to show you some of the previous projects right now. For instance, I've started this one over here. We can see how much money people have made from this challenge from this page. As you can see, the total budget for the top answers was $10,000, and there were 10 top answers. And the best top 10 answers are sharing their earnings, resulting in each of them receiving $1,000. Isn't that a considerable sum of money? Anyway, I'd like you to return to the site and select a few of these categories. For example, I'd like you to select any of these projects from the business category. After you've picked one, you'll be able to see the question they'll ask you. This is the most important question we must address, and answering it will allow you to earn money afterwards. You might be wondering how you'd respond to the question professionally if you didn't have any experience. This is when Google comes in handy. The Google method is to copy this question from this page. Then go to Google and put it into the search field. As you may be aware, doing so will allow you to browse all of the many types of solutions available, including the greatest ones. You can read all of these articles right now. As a result, I've chosen this particular article. This article gives the exact solution to the MindSumo topic that I'm seeking for. I can see that they're presenting examples of how to handle the exact issue at hand when I read down deeper in this page. In conclusion, this one is very professionally answered, resulting in it most probably being included in one of the MindSumo's top shares on the project. The next step is to copy the answers from the article and put them into a document. Simply go to Google Docs to accomplish this. This is a Google-powered program that works similarly to Microsoft Word. The URL for this is docs.google.com. After you've opened Google Docs, click blank to create a new document. After that, post the article's copied text here, along with any other information you believe is necessary. You can add more information to your paper from the item you just read and paste it here later. Keep in mind that if you want to be at the top of the project, your answer needs to make the most sense and be the longest. Of course, you can now edit your document. You might use a different font to emphasize a point. Change the colors or highlight them. It's up to you to make your document better. When you're finished, go to the File menu, select Download, and save it as a PDF document. When you open that document, it should look like this. This looks professional, as you can see from your file. You will return to MindSumo and submit the answer now that you have it on your computer. Most likely, a professional-looking response like that will result in you receiving a $800 budget share. Now that we've covered everything, let's go over and recap the procedures for this method once more. First, go to mindsumo.com and look for the task that would provide with you the highest chance of earning huge quantities of money. Second, use Google to look up answers to MindSumo's specific question. Third, copy and paste the answers into Google Docs, then make some little edits to make it look more professional. Finally, submit your response to mindsumo.com. After then, you'll be able to receive a break on their budget and earn as much as you like, ranging from hundreds to thousands of dollars, simply by using Google. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now let's proceed with the final instructions on how to be lucky and win the 10 free $50 gift card giveaways. You just need to make sure you're subscribed and are actively leaving a like. You also need to comment down below the unique code that I've given in the middle of every video so I can give rewards to those who I monitored that are always active in each tutorial. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have at winning as we reach the 5,000 subs celebration. And that's it! Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.